Hi guys, this is going to be a one-off video today, and I am doing the Kitty Nyan Challenge. Okay, what you do is you go to this website, and normally you can do it on any page. It's called you just go yum 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 yum. Okay, you log into your account and you copy. You can't see this at the minute, but I am copying and pasting. So we can do the Nyan. You can now hear Nyan music. You have to play sky high and see how far you can get. They will get like 10 times bigger as you go along. Look, they're big already. I have a feeling I'm gonna die. By the way, this is found, and I found this out by watching a Pie's channel. Go subscribe to him for Animal Jam watchers. No, I'm still gonna carry on. See, they're already getting quite big. Guys, if you try this out, I would like to know. I want you to show me, because they are freaking huge. I found this website that they were like humongous. I suck at this game. See, it's getting pretty hard already. My god, I thought I was gonna die. Oh. We'll try when they get out the way. Okay, this is our last try. Wish me luck. Holy. That is. Okay, be right back, guys. Okay, I am back, guys, and as you see, it is pretty hard if you don't already play the game. Like, I don't even play Sky High that often, and I sucked at it. So, anyone who plays Animal Jam, I would love to see you try, or if there's any other games you can do it with. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be it. This is one of Animal Jam videos today. Goodbye.